No, kitty, this is my pet pet. That's a bad kitty. No, kitty, this is my pet pet. Mommy, kitty trying to be the dildo. Damn it, kitty, this is my pet pet.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Say, I got here Campbell's Chunky creamy chicken and dumplings. Let's give this a try. Carrot. Let's see what it gives it here. Carrot, peas, chicken, and dumplings, of course. Piece of chicken. Chicken's very tender. Really good flavor to it. Of course, though, it is because it's been sitting in the soup. But the dumplings, oh no, here, very tender dumplings. And this is really good. They don't call it chunky for nothing, too. It really does fill you up. Soup that eats like a mill. It's not watered down really. A lot of soups you get, they're always watered down, just really, kills the flavor and everything. But this is delicious here. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Take care, everybody.